Okay, everyone, this is the brand new competitive trailers out of Lake Havasu, Arizona. This is the new UTV Source trailer for all of our personal builds. Just picked it up today. Actually, they delivered it out to me, and it's freaking rad. So one of the biggest things I really like about it is it's got the flip down, so I can move it around. This one's ordered with a winch plate already welded in and a billet battery tray mounted on the trailer. If you notice, this trailer is really shiny. That's because this trailer's been powder coated. Another cool feature, it's got the D-rings in there. Not only does it have D-rings on each corner, it also has them in the center. It's got another hook point. So you might be asking, why is it wood instead of steel deck? There's a couple reasons. This is lighter, and I can replace this. So that's pretty cool that it has them down the center and at each corner. And again, it's powder coated. It's got all LED lights and marker lights off the fender, rear mount ramps, which is pretty cool because my last trailer had them out the side, and it made it next to impossible when I parked next to someone to get my trailer ramps out. This is really cool. This is also step. Another cool thing about the trailer is it comes standard with Vision wheels. This one has electric brakes. It's a double axle. There's the brakes. It's on the first axle. Nice tires. Get your LED markers, powder coat. This thing's rad. 2 5/16 ball, breakaway, and your plug. Trailer brake battery. Pretty dope. All in all, really cool. So here's the other big thing that I love about this trailer and why we went with competitive. Not only did we get it with the winch mount plate already welded in, the billet battery tray box, the corner side mounts, the center side mounts, the stop chocks, and it's powder coated, but the axles are set back further. So a normal trailer, it's gonna be forward quite a bit. This trailer is gonna pull amazing. I already know it's a great trailer just by backing it up. It doesn't rattle. So looking forward to pulling it. I'm using a Raptor. So pretty excited. Pretty cool trailer.